Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm and my Topbox. I am going to be doing both of them together because if I just do the Topbox by itself, it's like a 4-minute video, maybe even like 2. Before we get started, if you have noticed that I haven't uploaded any videos in a little bit, yeah, I haven't. I think it's been 2 or 3 weeks now that I haven't uploaded a video. I've been having some health problems, and I've been in the midst of doing a bunch of tests and things like that. So the reasoning behind not uploading videos is because sometimes I just don't feel well enough to film or to edit. And I am still working full time, trying to, do all of that. But anyway, that is just, I'm sorry that I haven't been getting out as many videos as I normally do, but okay, so jumping right into it. Okay, let's do Topbox first, just because honestly, this one's usually super disappointing, especially lately. So let's get this out of the way. So I'm just going to open it up and you can see what's in here first. I'm not sure what's in here yet, but okay, I'm seeing some brands in here that I like. So let's start off with this. This is the Clarins Paris Extra Firming Energy. This is a radiance boosting wrinkle control day cream. Oh, and this is 15 milligrams. So, sorry, milliliters. So that's actually pretty good. This is a pretty good size for a sample, deluxe sample size. I definitely want to try that. Some of the stuff that we get from this brand, I'm not really super excited about, but a firming cream sounds nice. Okay, let's just dive into whatever the heck this is. I don't know. I think it's INT. There's a sticker on it that's hiding the name of it, and it's Flamingo Lip Oil. So this is a lip oil. There is a packaging on it. Looks like this has been staying around for a little while, and apparently this is the color Flamingo. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I don't need lip oils. I use a specific lip mask, and I don't really wear lip stuff underneath my masks at work or anything like that, or at all, other than when I'm either going to bed or, that's the only time I put anything really on my lips unless I'm filming. So I think I'm going to give that away. So there's that. There are 2 more products technically in this box. This here is technically the one product. That is what they are. These are shower sheets. Yeah, so these are for all skin types. It says objective, give yourself a clean start. There's peppermint oil that refreshes. There's some kind of exfoliant in here. There's aloe and jojoba seed oil that hydrates while vitamin E conditions skin. These are made in Israel. Okay. I mean, I guess these are for if you don't have time to shower or something. I don't know. So there's those. I don't know really. I mean, these would probably be good for camping purposes. I don't camp. So I guess maybe if you go to the gym and you don't want to shower after, maybe you can use them. The last item in here is the Laneige. This is a water sleeping mask. So at first when I saw this, I thought this was their lip masks. Their lip masks are the ones that I wear to bed. I love them. They are amazing. And this is not a lip mask. This is a water sleeping mask. So it is actually a face cream. It smells like nothing, really. So I'm excited for this. This is, how many? This is 10 milligrams. So that's exactly the same size as my sample of the Laneige lip mask that I absolutely love. So I do love this brand, so I am going to definitely use that. Well, that was everything in my top box, so I am definitely going to end up using the 2 creams. And then chances are I'm definitely going to be getting rid of the lip oil, and unless I find a reason to use these, then the shower sheets will probably go to somebody else. Okay, so up next is my Boxycharm, and I don't know if you can see, but it is dented in here. It looks like someone took a good old step out of here, or these boxes have been smushed and mushed and stepped on and crushed. for the last like 4 or 5 months. They've been pretty banged up, so yeah. But this is a bigger size, so it's not as small as the last box. Let's just see what is in here. I do know of one thing because I picked it, but I don't know what else everything else in here is. So that is your sneak peek of what it looks like. Okay, so this is Boxycharm, and it is Go All Out. And once again, they don't really have the box number on here, so I really like the vibes of this. So first up in here, I'm gonna take this out. This obviously is a palette, and it says hashtag give them Lala Beauty. This is the Grown Woman palette. I have no idea what the heck this is. I've never heard of this brand before. It is made in China, which a lot of makeup is, so that doesn't really bother me. This is what the palette looks like. It's again, hashtag. It's a nice marbly color. I like marble. Okay, so there's a mirror in here, and then this is what the palette looks like. So, okay, it's definitely women's kind of palette. This is like stepmom, the wife, boss lady, princess of Bel-Air, I do, the ring. So yeah, those are the colors. They're not bad, but this is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm not going to do swatches because I don't think I'm keeping this palette. I am not going to lie. The colors are really nice, but I have a dozen palettes that look like this or have the same colors. So I think I'm just going to re-gift this to somebody. So this palette is a $42 palette. I mean, that's expensive for something I've never heard of before. But I guess for a palette, it's not too bad. All right, then I'm going to grab this here. And this is I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Jekka Black, I think it is. This is a play pot. And it's vegan and cruelty free. I don't know what a play pot is. Let's take a look at it here. And this is what it looks like here. And then let me see. This is called Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. This is made in the UK. And let me just take this off. So that is gold. Okay, let me just read what the heck this is. So the play pots are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. Okay. The creamy pigments are super rich, easy and effortless to blend out while offering high impact pigment with cruelty and vegan free formula. Okay, so I love gold, so I'm just gonna do a little swatch. Kind of feels like I'm sticking my finger in a lip gloss. Oh, that is really nice and bright. I don't know if my camera's picking that up. It is very gold. I like that. I don't know if I'd use that as a highlight, but that is something that I definitely think I'm keeping. So this is a $21.50 product. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good. That's good for something like that. Okay, up next there is this here. And this is from Kate Somerville. I love Kate Somerville products. I have a few, I've gotten a few of their face creams and face stuff, mostly face washes and exfoliants in this box before. So this is the Exfoliant Glow Moisture. Okay, so this has a lot of great things in it. Let's take a look at it. This is definitely the cute little packaging. There's the little face on here. It smells like their products. It's very yummy smelling. Oh, also, it looks kind of greeny. There's a tinge of green to it, which I'm assuming is one of the good things in here. Oh, how to use. Okay. So use AM and PM, apply an even layer to skin. Oh, to clean skin. So it's a cream. Okay, so that's not bad. So this is, oh, it says moisture right on here. Wow. That is some grade A smartness right there. Okay, so this, this is a cream, a hydrating cream, face cream. Okay, so this is a $70, holy shit, whoa. Okay, so this is $70. So yeah, not getting rid of that. Yep. Okay, there are 2 more items left in here, and I will pick the next skincare item. And this is from Clean Skin Club. This is heavy. This is a clean slate clearing mist. This has got rose extract, eucalyptus oil, and salicylic acid. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this bottle. It's glass. No wonder it's heavy. So this is a $38 spray. And it says, I don't really know, it's a lightweight formula. It affects to reduce acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist on clean skin after cleansing and before serum. Okay, so you spray this on your face before you would like put your creams on. Okay, so that smells really good. I'm excited to try this. I'm already wearing makeup, so I am not going to be spraying this. Yes, it's very minimal makeup, but I'm actually going to be definitely keeping that. That is good. So far, that's 3 items out of the 4 items that I'm keeping. That is not normal for Boxycharm lately. And then there is one more product in my Boxycharm, and this is the item I picked out, and this is from Iconic London. This is the Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and it's huge. I got it in medium bronze. I don't think that medium bronze would match my skin tone right now. I am definitely looking a little bit lighter due to some of my health issues. I really look light, but that is fine. So this is what it looks like. It is huge. Look at this. Look how big this is. I'm so excited for this. So it's definitely gonna take me a while to get through this. I am going to swatch. Oh, actually, it's a bit dark. So that is what it looks like. Right now it is dark for my skin tone, but normally when I'm not looking sick, it would be great. This is 0.59 ounces. Let's compare it to like the Blood Beauty. Like, look the difference between these. This Iconic London, oh, and this is only $35. That's actually really good. These ones in Canada are $29, I think, maybe $31. So that's pretty good. I am so excited to try this. I am so excited to use this, and I'm hoping I can get a tan before I need to use this, but or it's gonna make me look like I have a bit of tan. I know that it's sticking a little bit right now because I do have this on my hand, so it's sticking a little bit more, so I'm not able to blend it out as much. Out of all of these products, I am keeping 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 products. That is really good this month. Boxycharm came through this month. I am hoping that they continue on with this streak because, I mean, I'm liking it. So let's see how much everything was. So altogether is $206.50. That's not bad, actually. Let's take out the palette. I don't think I'd spend $42 on this for a brand that I don't know. So it was about $164.50 for all this stuff I'm technically keeping. So that's actually really good, especially for how kind of hit and miss they've been lately. So I'm super excited for that. All right, well, that was everything for August's Topbox and Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see more of these kind of videos. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe and have a great day. Bye!